Yeah, hello. This is Shailendra. I am from Max Business Systems. I am giving you a demo on MaxUp interactive panels. The panel what I am showing you here is a 65 inches interactive panel which comes with a toughened glass. If you are looking at this is a toughened glass. So it is 4 toughened glasses there with basically the hardness level is it is greater than 7 level 7 you can say, right? So the application what we are using here is a Note. Basically when we are talking about MaxUp as an interactive panel, these are all-in-one panels are there. All-in-one panels in the sense we have, I'm just writing here. The reason why I'm writing here, because you can see the smoothness when I'm writing. There is no lag as far as the panel is concerned. It's a lag-free experience what you can have it. So it's all-in-one panel is there. All-in-one panel in the sense we have Windows based OPS is there. It's a factory fitted OPS with a resolution of 4K Ultra HD. The best part of this resolution basically is that OPS is nothing but open pluggable system. Open pluggable system is nothing but it's a full-fledged computer is there. In this computer, the output of this OPS also is a 4K Ultra HD, and it syncs with the panel resolution also. Panel resolution also is a 4K Ultra HD. Because of that, you will find extremely good output when you are running any videos or when you are sharing the screen to the students mobile also, right? So when we are talking about this OPS, as I said, it's a Core i5 basically the specifications are concerned, and it's a 7th generation processor, and we are offering you 4 GB RAM. Now this RAM can be enhanced till 16 GB. We are offering you 128 GB SSD, and this also we can enhance till 2 TB. Plus we are having the hard disk slot also, where we can keep hard disk up to 4 TB. Right, sir. And as far as the Android version is concerned, we are offering you a processor which is a dual core with 2 GB RAM is there, and we have 16 GB as a storage. Now we are using Android as a purely backup platform because we are giving you a full-fledged Windows-based OPS is there. It is just like how you are working on your system. In the same fashion, you can work on this panel with a touch facility basically. So it is very awesome when you are working on the Windows platform normally. Right, because we are already used to use, and we are offering you some 4 different applications along with this particular panel, which are Windows-based applications are there. So what I'm talking about is a Note, is a Windows-based application. Then I'm offering you Note is it's basically it's a whiteboard software, and it is also an annotation software. Right? And then we are having here second application what we are giving you is a Capture. Capture is a recording application. Plus you can edit your videos also. So it's a great feature. Normally you have to go for the licensed basically recording and edit options, but here we are giving you the same thing along with the panel itself. The third application what I am giving you is a Connect. Now Connect has got 3 important features in the application. One is we are offering you a two-way collaboration, and then we have basically another application is here. The it's a mobile visualizer is there. And the third application, what I am giving you here, the third feature of this Connect application is basically wireless presenter. I'll just explain you about these three features. Two-way collaboration in the sense you can take the control of panel on your tab or on your mobile. So whatever you write on your mobile can be seen on the panel, and whatever you write on the panel can be seen on your mobile or tab also. Second feature what we are giving you is a mobile visualizer. Mobile visualizer is nothing but, like, suppose you have a document, and document has to be just captured and to be shown to the participants, or it has to be shared among the participants which are there in the meeting or in the classroom particularly. So you can share the document by capturing with the help of your mobile. It is that simple. The third thing we are giving you the wireless presenter. Wireless presenter in the sense, if you write number of pages on the note application or whiteboard application, then suppose you want to change those number of pages with the help of any device. So in that case, you can use your mobile itself for changing those pages. You need not go for the third party devices for changing the pages as such. Right? And we're just taking the third page over here. There are so many features are there, toolbars are available for you on this particular whiteboard application. I'll just explain you about this. With the most important thing for the faculties is basically, we have here the different type of pens are there, and you can choose the different colors also over here. So I want to choose, let us say, a pen, then I have a pen over here, then I have a pen brush also, then third thing is a highlighter is there, then we have certain Chinese brush, and then we have a laser pen, then we have the stamp pens are also available, and then we have something called as a texture pen also is there. Now when we are using any of these particular pens over here, so we can choose the different colors as per our requirement here. Now I'll just show you how it will be done. Now suppose I write here, you can just see here how I'm writing on this. Right? Now suppose I want to use, or I want to change the colors over here, I can change the color now. It is that simple. You can see here, I am just changing from black to white and white to black also. It is very simple. Right? Suppose you want to take the clones of it, or you want to do a mirror. Yes, we can do that, or we can just take the clone, or we can convert into a text also basically. Now suppose you want to, whatever you write you want to convert into text. Yes, we have this option also, and this also can be you can resize as well basically. Now while writing on this, basically you want to import any images. Yes, we can import the image also at the same time, and you can resize those images as per your requirement, and you can keep it wherever you want to have it. Right? And suppose you want to import a video also, you can import the videos related to this image as well. So I'm just importing this and I'm just resizing these images. So you want to run this video? Yes, we can run the video. And while running the video, suppose you want to write on the video also, it is quite possible. We can write. I'll just change a pen here so that you can have the idea about how it can be done. So it is as simple as how you are writing on your whiteboard, and you have a flexibility of using different colors on this, which you don't get normally in the whiteboard application. So regular whiteboards, and you can save the pages also. Whatever you write, you have an option to save in the computer or on the panel itself particularly. And then we have certain shape recognition pens. Now suppose you want to draw a flow chart, so you are by default you are going to use a certain shapes also over here. So to define the processes. So what I'm trying to do is that I'm just trying to draw the different shapes, and I'm trying to draw or fill up the colors also. I'm just trying to fill up the colors here, and yeah, okay. So after doing so, suppose you want to write in these box. Yes, we can write. It is that simple. Or you want to show certain correlation between the two boxes. Yes, we can do that in this fashion. Or here now you want to give a name, let us say. So I'm just giving the name also to this, and I'm just having the heading for this. So there are so many other applications are there, or so many features are there where the teachers they can find it very useful. If you'd like to know more, please do contact us on 9347217349. I'll just write my number over here so you can see my number, and yes, this is my number. You please make a note of my number, or alternatively, you can contact on this number. So these are the two numbers where you can contact, and you can have more information, or you'd like to have a detailed demo about interactive panel. We are here to support you. Thank you so much.